Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home decor and crafting. From DIY projects to expert tips, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, join us on this creative journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Your encouragement helps us keep creating engaging content that inspires and delights. Creating wooden products for quick revenue can be a rewarding venture, especially given the growing demand for handmade and sustainable goods. Here are several ideas that can generate income quickly. One popular category is wooden kitchenware, including items like cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays. These products can be crafted from various types of wood to offer unique aesthetics and durability. Custom engraving options can add a personal touch, making them attractive to customers looking for gifts or distinctive kitchen items. Similarly, home decor items such as wall art, picture frames, and shelves are always in demand. By offering products in different styles, from rustic to modern, you can appeal to a wide range of tastes. Seasonal decorations, like wooden ornaments for holidays, can also create a quick revenue stream. Another profitable idea is to create small furniture pieces, such as side tables, stools, or benches. These items can be produced relatively quickly and sold for a good profit. Focusing on unique designs or upcycling old pieces can set your products apart. Additionally, wooden planters and garden accessories are popular among gardening enthusiasts. Items like planters, garden boxes, and trellises can be made. Customized wooden signs are also popular for both home and business use. Offering personalized options for family names or inspirational quotes can appeal to a wide audience. Additionally, wooden puzzles can be a fun and profitable venture, especially for children. Educational themes, such as the alphabet or animals, can attract parents and educators alike. Crafting wooden picture ledges allows customers to display multiple photos stylishly. These versatile products can cater to various tastes and home aesthetics. Another great idea is to create wooden bath accessories, such as soap dishes and bath trays. These can attract consumers interested in creating a spa-like atmosphere at home. Similarly, crafting unique wooden serving platters or charcuterie boards can appeal to food enthusiasts. Offering personalization options or pairing them with recipe cards can enhance their marketability. Lastly, functional yet decorative wooden wall hooks and hangers can meet the needs of customers looking to organize their spaces stylishly. Customizable options, like engraved names, can further attract buyers. To maximize revenue from these wooden products, consider implementing effective marketing strategies. Establishing an online presence through an e-commerce site or platforms like Etsy can help reach a broader audience. Utilizing social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest allows you to showcase your products through high-quality images and engaging content. Participating in local craft fairs, farmers markets, or pop-up shops can help you connect with the community and gain exposure. Collaborating with local businesses, such as gift shops or home decor stores, can also provide additional sales opportunities. To maximize revenue from wooden products, establishing a strong online presence is crucial. Creating an e-commerce site or utilizing popular platforms like Etsy can help you reach a broader audience, showcasing your unique offerings to potential customers worldwide. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest allows you to display high-quality images and engaging content, which can attract followers and drive traffic to your online store. These visual platforms are particularly effective for highlighting the craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal of your products. Engaging with local markets is another effective strategy for generating revenue. Participating in craft fairs, farmers markets, or pop-up shops provides an opportunity to connect directly with the community and gain valuable exposure. These settings allow customers to see and touch your products, fostering trust and encouraging purchases. Furthermore, collaborating with local businesses, such as gift shops or home decor stores, can enhance your visibility and create mutually beneficial partnerships. By combining online and offline strategies, you can effectively boost sales and build a loyal customer base.